The equivalent of the block diagram shown in figure 1.7. For this, we have to find the equivalent block diagram. Here, what done here in the 4 diagram is the takeaway point is moved out of after this block. So it is moved from here to here. Therefore, G1, G2 are in product. But in the first G1, G2 not in product. That's why A is not the correct answer. And C also not the correct answer. Only G1 is given. That's why these two removed. So we have to remove the odd man out first. So in B, G1, G2, G1, G2 is there. Forward path is correct. In feedback path, if you take away point is before G2, G2 gain is not included in the feedback. But if you move after G2, gain of G2 is included. That's why gain is increased. That much gain should be attenuated. Attenuation means we have to divide. But in B, it is multiplied. But in C, D, it is divided. So G2 times it should be attenuated. Therefore, D is the correct answer, not B. So G2 is not included in the feedback originally. If you move the takeaway point after G2, G2 also included in the feedback. That's why we have to attenuate the feedback path by G2. Therefore, D is the correct answer.